Want to add links on Threads? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily add links to Thread app. First thing first, move into your application Thread. Make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, now you need to move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Inside the profile, click on Edit Profile. Here you can see the option where it says Links. Click on it. Tap on Add Link. Now make sure you have already copied the link that you want to add. Simply paste the link that you have copied in this section. Once you've added, you can also enter the title. And then click on Done. Wait for a while for it to load. Once again, click on Done. Now if you go back to your profile, you will be able to see that the link has been added to your bio. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.